Well, yesterday didn't have a single trade in the morning. That's why there was no recap. And today we only had one trade. It's a no news week and it's really slow. Markets have just been kind of choppy and just like no volatility, no volume, just really slow. So I was able to find one trade and it was less than exciting. But we're going to go ahead and recap everything that happened today. So please sit back and enjoy. If you didn't know, these streams are live every day, Monday through Friday, 8:20 a.m. Central Time on my main channel, Trades by Matt. And I am still trading my 20 50K Apex accounts. That's 80% off with code TBM right now. Applied at checkout. My fifth payout video just went live. I've taken out $200,000 from these accounts, withdrawn $200,000 in the last 50 trading days. So you can go watch that video on the main channel too. Yo, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Welcome to the stream. It's an exciting day today. Why isn't it an exciting day? Because hopefully we get better movement than yesterday. I locked in a red day yesterday. Minus $60 on all of my accounts. So minus $60, minus 3 points on the Nasdaq for my 20 accounts. I was trying to look back and remember if I've had a red day yet on these accounts. I couldn't remember it. I don't think I have. That might be my first one. If not, I think it's my second red day on the accounts. So yeah, I locked in a full red day yesterday for minus 60 bucks on all the accounts. And we press on. What else? Why else is it exciting? After the stream, got my fifth payout video dropping. That's funny. A lot of talk yesterday across different things about how 20 account trading isn't real and all that. So I figured it's a good time to just go ahead and drop my fifth payout, totaling $200,000 in the last 50 days. Last but not least, Las Vegas 2024, June 8th, baby. Almost 1 month away. Tickets are officially for sale. Ticket price, you'll see it all on there. It's $100 a person. Shout out to EdgeClear for sponsoring that. They were able to bring the ticket price down per person. So shout out to EdgeClear for sponsoring. We are limiting it to 50 people. Speakers for the workshops. I'll talk about this at some other point as well, probably. But speakers for the workshops, very excited. We have Mitchell Baldridge, my personal CPA, who's coming to talk about day trading taxes, setting up prop firms, answering your prop firm tax questions, structuring, all of that type of stuff. We have Max Timmons, who's the VP of Brokerage Services over at EdgeClear, who's coming to talk about what goes on in the back end, what their role is, and just kind of all the different parts of the market. We buy and sell. We click 2 buttons, and there's a lot going on, right? So he's coming to talk about all that. And then last but not least, we have Pax, known as Pax Trader on Twitter. He's an old floor guy. Not old. He's a floor trader, ex-floor trader, still trades. He made millions of dollars. He blew up and lost millions of dollars, and he has made it back. And he's going to talk about the mentality and psychology of what it takes to make it in trading, what it takes to have a blow up and to recover, because it's something that we're all going to be experiencing at some point. So very exciting stuff. 3 powerhouse speakers. It's going to be great learning. And then obviously we have a couple hour after party. After the after party, I'm hitting the casinos, maybe the club. We'll see what happens, but it's just going to be a damn good day. Alrighty. Those are all the big news. NAS is opening up fairly flat. We got yesterday's close at 196. So just a little bit above that right now. We're pushing the overnight highs. We got 30 seconds till the market opens up. In theory, above yesterday's value area high, above the overnight highs, we push. Coming back into VWAP for the 180s retest makes a lot of sense. Return to settlement. I'm hoping we don't chop all day, but it's very possible. News-wise, we've got not much. So we'll see what today brings. Today's video, I'll be talking about the one that's premiering after the stream, going over my fifth payout. Obviously, it's a live payout request again, like always. And I'll be talking about the prior 10 days to trading, how it was for me. I'll be talking about the Robins and what I learned from my Robins experience that has led me to have these accounts for this long and pulling out this much money. That's the agenda for today's video. Are we ready for today's dad joke? May 7th, Tuesday. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. At least it does if you throw it hard enough. It's not terrible. It's kind of mid. Kind of funny. You think it's gonna be another terrible day? I hope not. It's very possible. If it is, at least we have a better idea of how to trade it, right? Trade the true range. I really thought yesterday we would snap out of it at some point. We kind of did, but nothing crazy. So it was good to be able to have that, good to have that story, if you will, for what today could be. Settlement shown by the red line on your chart? No, settlement is YC on my chart. It's just this label. Red line is value area low, value area high, point of control. This red line is initial balance low. Green line is initial balance high. This is the first hour high and low is initial balance. So these lines stop moving at 9:30. These lines move throughout the whole day. They're just showing where volume is being conducted. Well, we're 45 minutes into the session. Thanks for clicking the thumbs up button and subscribing. No trades yet. Haven't seen anything worth taking. A little slow, but we're still moving. So that's good. Just a little slow. Buying this could be kind of interesting. Wrong button. 06 could be kind of interesting. A little aggressive. Even more aggressive would be 10. 06 is basically like 50% retrace on the candle. I think it's possible. It's a little bit of a diddle in the middle of value. Just slightly below the middle of the true range. With buyers looking good though, it doesn't look terrible yet. And it's a wick test. But I'm gonna see what's happening as we approach it. I might be taking this order off. There's value area high at 220s, magical 20s. It's an 80 to 20 rotation, 40 points. Not bad. I mean, that's good. Why don't you ever market execute? I do sometimes. I just find that market executing for me, I have to really love the trade to market execute. Like really love it. Because when you market, you're usually starting off a little bit of pain, right? So I have to really, really, really love the trade and really want to be in it. I'll market out all the time. I'd rather be aggressive getting out than aggressive getting in, typically. And the markets are always moving. If I miss a fill, I miss a fill. There's going to be another one. Buyer's still looking all right, but we did get a point of control flip. If we are ranging, this will be very telling. Whenever we start getting the point of control flips back and forth on ranges, it's really helpful. So this is our third point of control flip in this range so far. We had one down, up, and then down again. Which makes me think, I'm inclined to think that we probably push it. I just don't want to give it 12 points. I want to buy cheaper. I'm still interested in a 92 buy. That's like last time. Now that we got the point of control flip. And now that Delta's kind of trying to get a little bit of a kick up. Value area low. A little bit of sellers trying to roll over. Bouncing around. Triple bottom at 86. See if we get the continuation here, and if we don't, I'll be out. Want to see us get above point of control and above VWAP. And like, do it. in the next, like, soon. I would really prefer us to close up 97 and higher. That would be my personal preference. Close above 97. Closing 89. Barcoding on the 1 minute. Give it one more shot for VWAP here to see if we can pop the prior high at 200 basically. Delta's going somewhat sideways. I'm trying to give it a little bit of time because we're at the bottom of the range. So I'm not necessarily expecting to like snipe the bottom here. So that's why I'm trying to give it a little bit more time and wiggle room. But like at this point, like we need to snap 200. If we can't snap 200, like it's just not, the trade is not working, right? We got really close there. Not a ton of buyers. Give it one more shot and then see if it can do it. But we're just really stalling out here. Needs to do it now. $60 block at 93. Alright. I'm out for break even. We're gonna run that 93 block and we're just keep rejecting VWAP and point of control right now. Needed to do it, and it wasn't doing it. So I'm out for 1 point. And I'm up $420. I'm out for 1 point on the Nasdaq. Well, or technically a point and a tick. It's just not doing it. I was really totally down to give it the wiggle room. Obviously, I was trying to give it the wiggle room. Long trade for me, like 5-6 minutes or whatever. And like it was looking like it really wanted to do it, but it's just not doing it. So if it's not doing it, it's not doing it. Got to get out. Take the break even and move on.